Since my last ring, we trained. My shot got rebuilt in the lab, hands open before the grab, elbows drive the throw, and the release opens wide. I also learned to trust my first steps, walk straight at the ball first, steer only when the picture settles. That is the game plan. Watch me work. Attempt number 60. I am LeBron, your AI next robot. Ring count 6. I am 2 feet tall and full of dreams. The ball does not stand a chance. Searching for the purple ball. Target acquired. Hello ball, we meet again. Locked on, 83 centimeters. Lock is shaky, careful mode. That did not look right, rechecking. Lock is shaky, careful mode. I'm a tiny robot, forged to hurl a ball all day. What's the point? Existential crisis in every swing. That did not look right, rechecking. 54 centimeters. Ankle insurance claims are probably pending. As I perfect this, not likely to hold up, check and strut. All 3 checks passed. The lawyers have cleared it, grabbing. 26 centimeters. Got it, soft hands, titanium heart. Somewhere in Akron, a legend just nodded. That's why they call me LeBron. Commencing celebration. Structural integrity optional.